I taught AI to play Squid Game using machine learning. Well, more specifically, red light, green light. Some might think this is easy, but let me tell you. And you might be saying to yourself, but can you just use a state machine to create the same effect? Oh, no. In all seriousness, you can, but when you're looking to create human-like characters, machine learning appears to scale better. I also just watched a new video on Nvidia's 50 series graphics cards which use AI to raise FPS. AI is the future, right? If you're unfamiliar with machine learning, we're essentially training a literal bot to do actions in a manner that we want it to. You can think of it like training your dog. If he sits, you give him a treat. If he doesn't sit, my bad boy. And if you've been living under a rock, red light, green light is a game where you have to get from A to B, and only moving while the light is green. Of course, not moving while the light is red. Now, before we can train our agents, we first have to create the Squid Game game. First is the arena. Luckily, Unreal Engine already comes with an arena. We then create the turning doll thingy. It's the thing that just turns when it's red and turns around when it's green. That kind of stuff. Finally is the agent. I'm gonna be honest, I'm just reusing the default character for simplicity's sake. I didn't really do anything here. We can now train our agents using machine learning. Now, it wouldn't be long until I ran into my first problem. Walls. Turns out my agents really love the arena's walls, and they wouldn't stop beelining straight to the walls. Actual problem turned out to be rather easy to solve. Turns out I was actually punishing the agents so much for moving that they gave in and refused to make progress. I adjusted some values and, well, now we have moving agents. Oh no, why are they moving during a red light? Yeah, there's gonna be a few agents harmed during the making of this video. My next problem involved urgency. They were so darn lazy that they barely made any progress during green light. You could die if you don't make it to the finish line, To fix this conundrum, the agents are passively punished for every living moment they are alive. It kinda sounds dark. Anyway, that surprisingly solved the problem, and we had expert agents that could play red light, green light. Let's go! Oh, wait a second. They are so good that I can't even win now. That can't be. What fun is a game that you can't win? Unless you're a god. Let me just adjust the reaction time, and we now have expert agents that were forcibly dumbed down so that I can win. Other people can win. Yeah. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and leaving a comment. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.